Hey guys, what's up? My name is Chase Kinsella and this is my channel. I thought I'd do a quick look at the new Mac Mini M1. I bought it because I was having some issues with Adobe, so I thought I would start trying to edit back in Final Cut. It's been like 2 years since I have edited in Final Cut, so it's definitely a learning curve. I'm going to edit this video in Final Cut and let you know my impressions in another video. I purchased the new Mac Mini with the Apple M1 chip with the 8GB unified memory and the 256GB SSD. Everyone talked about how amazing it is, and for $699 it is actually a pretty good price. Okay, so from the back it has a power button, a place for the power cord, Ethernet cable, Thunderbolt, USB 4, 2 slots for that, HDMI 2.0, and then 2 USB A's. And there's also a 3.5mm headphone jack. The coolest thing that I have to say about booting this up had to do with clicking the button and hearing that it had a speaker. I'll show that at the very end. When you click the button, it does the boot up sound of the old school Macs. So that was kind of nostalgia for me since I originally started on Apple, transitioned to Windows, and then now I have both. Thanks for watching, guys. If you guys are interested, I will do a follow-up video on what it's like editing Premiere Pro and then reintroducing yourself to Final Cut, or any other comparisons or my thoughts after a certain amount of time using this system. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. And here is the speakers. They're not very good, but it's kind of cool that they're there for the chime when you press the power button.